Auto Body Care, the ultimate hack. Get your vehicle repairs done while you're on vacation. If you have a trip coming up, use that time from your car to get much needed repairs. For cars parked at the airport, have a mobile repair unit out to do any exterior dent or scratch repairs so you can come back from your vacation to a fixed car. Alternatively, you can drop your car off at the repair shop and they can give you a ride to the airport or maybe even send you in an Uber. The types of work you can expect to have done in the time frame of a vacation would be PDR or paintless dent repair, getting your windows tinted, getting your car detailed and clean, getting your upholstery repaired, or your headlights restored. Don't bother yourself with 2 trips. Get your car repaired when it's convenient for you while you aren't using it. Have a nice trip, and when you get home, your car will be all ready for you.